Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in for this one. In today's video, I'd be making a social media poster design in just 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Making this type of artworks is actually pretty easy. I started out with just making a rough guide so you know the extent and width of your text. Know that any text you're putting in won't escape the borders. And I started in with a background image. In most artworks, all you need is a background, your characters, and your typography. I'm just uploading my characters and resizing it to make it the size that I want. You can feel free to make it any size that you wish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blur the background image. I used a tilt-shift blur and increased it from the lower part to the upper half. It's more blurred down and a little bit less blurred towards the top. Now to use the gradient tool. When you fill your entire artwork or artboard with a solid color, you can hit G on your keyboard to head over to the gradient tool and use it to decipher the area that you want it to erase the effects and the area that you want the effects to show. So I did this a couple of times to get the type of look that I was looking for. And hopefully at the end of the tutorial, you'll see how it worked out. Now, I thought about typing in my own text, but I decided to not cause of time. So I headed over to another of my travel project, and I just copied the text over and just stuck it in and resized it a bit, and it actually fit because most of these typographies are just about arrangement, but in this particular scenario, it just fits like a glove right off the bat. It's all about getting the right weight and size, getting the positions, and just making sure that most of the words that are supposed to be on the edge of the boundary is well aligned. Because alignment in this type of art, in any type of art you are doing, alignment is critical unless you want to do otherwise. You align to the center of your artboard, and if it's on the horizontal line, you align from the vertical from top to bottom. If it's at the end, you align by the center. I kind of made the visit exotic locations a bit bigger because it's the master text. And the subtext, the travel now and proud partners of Fly Emirates, I made it a bit smaller and another type of font. There is no basic way of creating this exact effect. All I'd have you do is to tweak and tweak till it feels right. And that's it for this one, guys. So if you liked this video, hit that subscribe button, leave me a thumb up so I know that this video was helpful. And that's it for this one. Cheers.